This doesn't seem obvious to me, but maybe it should. But I cut these rails and stiles, and the router bit left a appropriately rough edge, as router bits will tend to do. And I was like, well, how can I sand it without losing the shape? So what I did was I used the opposing bit for the rails and stiles, and I cut this longwise, and then I cut off the tenon. And what I'm going to do is put a piece of sandpaper in there, and then it will nicely match, and I'll be able to sand. Hopefully that works. We'll see. So, sort of like this, place the sandpaper in there, and just, there you go. Doesn't take too many strokes. Much better. All right, got a bit of sanding to go. Woohoo, baby.